What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Apple Hubby here, and today we are going to talk about the final pricing and release dates for the 2018 iPhones and Apple Watch Series 4. So let's get right into it. So let's start at the bottom of the new iPhone lineup, starting with the iPhone 7. Now Apple's rumored to be working on a new version of the iPhone 7, not necessarily a better version, but a cheaper to manufacture version that could bring down the price to $399. So expect a price range of $399 to $449 for the iPhone 7. Basically, the iPhone 7 will be replacing the iPhone SE in the new lineup, and in many ways will serve as the long-awaited SE refresh, not in terms of size, but in terms of price. The iPhone 7 is already a great iPhone, with better specs than the iPhone SE, so for $399, the iPhone 7 will be a really great value. Moving up, we have the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. These models will likely be priced around the same price range of the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus models. So expect a price range of $500 to $550 for the iPhone 8 and $600 to $670 for the iPhone 8 Plus. And now we move into what most of you want to hear, the 2018 iPhone pricing. Starting with the cheapest model, not by any means a budget iPhone, but certainly the cheapest of the new ones, the iPhone 9. The iPhone 9 is widely expected to start at around $699 for the 64GB model and $849 for the 256GB model. The rumored colors are space gray, silver, blue, orange, yellow, and top, with red as a wildcard. Keep in mind that the iPhone 9 is reportedly delayed, so if you're looking into getting an iPhone 9, you might not be able to get one until October or November. Next up, the iPhone XS, specifically the 5.8-inch iPhone XS, which will reportedly start at $899, $100 cheaper than the iPhone X. It will be available in 64, 256, and 512GB options. Expected color options are space gray, silver, and gold. And lastly, the 6.5-inch iPhone XS. Yes, not the iPhone XS Plus, as Apple will apparently be dropping the Plus branding. The 6.5-inch iPhone XS will start at $999 and will go up to $1,299 with the same storage and color configurations. So guys, there you have it. This is what the iPhone lineup could look like this year. So now let's move on to the Apple Watch Series 4. So with the Series 4 pricing, it's a little harder to predict because of so many factors, but I can tell you that the lower-end aluminum models will likely start at $399, the stainless steel models at $599, and any of the other higher-end models at above $1,000. Moving on to some important dates, we have some very exciting weeks ahead. We can certainly look forward to the September 12 event that has already been confirmed, but some of the other dates that haven't been confirmed but we can predict based on history is September 14 will be pre-order day, September 19 iOS 12 release day, and of course the September 21 release day for iPhones and the Apple Watch. Now before I end this video, I want to mention that the Apple Awards will be back this year from December 3 to December 8. If you've been following me for a while now on my Instagram, you might be familiar with this. It's a yearly event when the Apple community comes together to celebrate a year of Apple products and creators. I'm very excited about it and I can't wait to share more in the coming weeks. That is all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be doing a full roundup of every product that will be announced at next week's event. Please remember to leave your thoughts down below, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.